Hi, this is Keith Bryan for Global SMT and Packaging, day 2 of Productronica India. And I'm here with Mohit, who is the strategy manager for Nordson. And we're going to start by talking about conformal coating equipment.
Yeah, so last year we have a new add-on that is SL1040. So it's an advanced version of SL940. I mean, it is more like we have ultrasonic cleaning system here. Uh, it is having a capability for optimized workflow, and it have more reduction in processing time, and it creates more throughput compared to the 940. But I mean, it is very good for advanced and more new tech things around.
Okay, so I guess it's more controllable in terms of where you put the material and where you don't.
Yeah, it is, and it's quite same, but we went through with the new advanced technologies into jet pressure and spray.
Okay, and how is the market taking the product so far?
We are getting good traction in India as well as in the market, in Asian market, but this machine should require advanced output. Means it need to be well connected with the requirements. So I mean, it should be that we customer is going through more optimized version, and they need better output. Then yeah, it is for them. Right now we are getting quite a good response.
Yeah. So basically, as the market here becomes more mature, your product kicks in more. Yeah. Okay, and you also have a soldering product?
Yeah, so we recently introduced our Synchro 3 and 5. So it is more like a synchronous, like it have a synchronous motion. It's quite a selective soldering, whereas it's having the same throughput as wave soldering, whereas the precision and the reliability is high. Comparing to wave soldering, in our selective soldering, we have 5 robots working together in one PCB that have that can decrease the operator's time for loading and maybe for other processes. So it create a very nice compact version of wave soldering and create more precision and more uh, reliability. Also, it decrease the footprint. That right now we are having almost 10-meter footprint of select soldering in other version, but in Synchro we are almost having the same throughput by 2.5 meters of machine. So that is one of the other advantages.
Well, that's saving a lot of floor space.
Yeah.
And obviously, if you can get the same throughput from a smaller area, I guess also you're using less material because your solder pots are smaller.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, here we are using only 50 kgs of solder compared to 300 kg of solder in wave soldering. So that is one of the key advantage. And here you can also see there is a reduction of pricing in the process, right? So it's a huge cost saving in compare.
And is it compatible with tin lead, lead-free, and also the low-temperature solders that are starting to appear?
Yeah, actually yes, and we have more into it because we can customize all of these nozzle into specific requirement. We can change the dimension, we can change, and we can change even it is more compatible with the different geometry of PCBs. It can take even if there are dense components inside the PCB, it can go with that. So I mean, it's right now it's industry highest dimension for PCB that we are working for, Syncro 3 and 5.
Yeah, it sounds like you've got a couple of exciting products, and especially the way the Indian market is going now, they're fitting right in very well. Huh?
Absolutely, I think this is a global product, and the Indian market is also catching up in this.
Okay. Great, well thank you very much for sharing with us, Mohit.
Thank you.
And that's Keith Bryan for Global SMT and Packaging, signing off on day 2.
It was a pleasure to meet our existing clients and prospective clients at Matt Dispense. Thank you for visiting our stand. Should you require any additional information, please feel free to email indiasales@chasecorp.com.